Here I have all new MacBook Air with M1 chipset, not M2. M2 is not yet available for the users. However, initially I thought to jump to M2, but yesterday after the WWDC, I understand the M2 chipset or the MacBook Air available with M2 chipset is a bit costly. That is fine, but the issue is the cost is much higher than the USD price. In UK, the cost is higher on GBP, but what I expect it should be much less than the dollar price, but unfortunately it's not. So let's open the outer cover quickly and see what is inside. Let's open it, and it looks like it's given the instruction to open it from here. So if we see clearly, it's 8GB unified 512GB SSD, 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chipset. It's 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, 13.3 diagonally. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. I don't think so we need anything else. It will open like this itself, like the iPhone devices. So here is my all new Apple M1. Let's keep it aside. Let's see what else is inside. It looks like a charging cable, Type-C. Two Apple stickers, MacBook Air, few information. So it has two Thunderbolt USB 4. That's all. And one headphone jack. That's all the holes it has. So that's all it has. Let's keep all these papers inside. Here is the charging cable point, twist. And this is looks like it will fit like this, and then it will go to there. So that's all this box has, nothing else. So if we open the charger here, here we go. The charger is open. Here the other port. This will go in this way. So this is now fit, and this is the 2-meter length charging cable. Yeah, it's not too long, but it's almost 2 meters. So here's a charging point here. another will come into the laptop. Okay, that setup is ready. Let's open the laptop now. See the sleekness of it. It's not heavyweight. And the maximum paint it can go. Not up to that. It is showing hello in different languages. I'll select the language first. I'll go for English. UK.
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
The VoiceOver Quick Start. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen and can be used to control the computer using only your keyboard.
If you are using the MacBook Pro first time, like switching from Windows to Mac, it's gonna take a long time for you to set up everything. I spent 30 minutes. There's a headphone jack 3.5mm. Here 2 ports. So no other holes. I'm going to connect the charger just to check whether it is properly getting charging or any other symbol, any other setup I need to do or not. Let's see. So the charger is connected now. Let's try out Apple TV Plus, how the sound and all the stuff. Okay, that's the end. Let me go through a few other things. This is my first Mac as well, so I'm going to spend a whole lot of time on this, and we'll be back with few more videos, how to guides, how to use Mac, how to use the applications, and crack on. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.